Are you looking to develop yourself as a leader or business owner, but don't know where to start? Are you unsure what to work on to deliver the performance that you'd like to achieve? Are you unsure of how to take your team or your business to that next level? If this sounds like you, then the Velocity Leadership Checkpoint is the perfect place to start. The Velocity Leadership Checkpoint is our leadership assessment tool. We use it as the basis for our leadership coaching, training programs, and management workshops. It's our start point for the work that we do together. We designed the Checkpoint honestly out of pure frustration. We were looking for a simple tool that could assess leadership behaviours and skills without the jargon. We also wanted something that could be used again and again to measure improvement, that could spell out skills that you could learn and improve, and focused on leadership traits that matter to business performance. So through hundreds of hours of research and testing, and utilising the skills and feedback of trainers, designers, and leadership experts, we developed the Velocity Leadership Checkpoint. Now, you'll probably be aware that there are literally hundreds of leadership assessments and personality tests out there that can put you in a box, give you a colour, or provide you with an overwhelming amount of data that looks good, but doesn't actually give you anything that you can do to build your leadership skills. The Checkpoint is about doing. It considers 25 behavioural traits focused in 5 distinct leadership capabilities: your alignment, relating to purpose and values; your achievement, relating to tasks and planning; your awareness, about your self-awareness and confidence; your altitude, relating to your team and communication; and your adaptability, relating to your environment and changing circumstances. The Checkpoint can provide you with clear guidance on your current performance and provide a platform for growth and leadership development for yourself, your team, and your business. In addition, it takes the guesswork out of deciding on a leadership program or executive coaching process and gives that firm platform and basis from which you can make decisions about your own skill and ability. If you want to take your skills and performance to the next level and would like to start with understanding the best and most efficient way to get there, scroll down and review the leadership performance profile traits, sample scores, and testimonials from people just like you. CEOs, small businesses, and managers seeking to get better performance out of themselves and their teams. If you'd like to complete the Checkpoint, give us a call, send us an email, or click on one of the links below. We look forward to working with you and identifying how you can achieve greater business and leadership results.